Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics. In this video, we will cover the gimbal calibration process. Welcome to the flight deck. Evo now offers a gimbal calibration process to help optimize gimbal performance if you are encountering an unlevel horizon. To begin, we need to place the Evo on a flat level surface, then power on our aircraft, remote controller, and connect to the Autel Explorer app. Ensure the surface you select is level before beginning this process. Now head to the Settings menu and choose Gimbal. Here we can start the gimbal calibration process. This process will take up to 2 minutes, and it is very important that the aircraft does not move or get bumped during the calibration. If the aircraft is moved, the calibration will fail and you will need to start the process over. If you are performing this calibration on a level table, ensure the table does not get bumped or move during the calibration. In some instances, performing this calibration on a level floor may be ideal. After the calibration, I would recommend power cycling Evo. Once calibrated, this process should not be required again unless your Evo has encountered an impact or the horizon becomes unlevel. If you are still encountering an unlevel horizon after this process, verify that your Evo has the latest firmware update installed. You can reach us via email, phone, or chat if additional help is needed. Thanks for watching, and so long from the flight deck.